In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Adobe Express. Full 2026 guide. To get started, open Adobe Express in your web browser. Make sure you're on the correct Adobe Express workspace so you can access the editor and your design tools. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign into your Adobe account. This is important because you'll need access to your saved projects and editing features before you can make any changes. Once you're inside Adobe Express, the next step is to either open an existing project or click Create New if you want to start fresh. If you already know which design you want to work on, simply open that file from your recent projects or saved documents. If you're creating something new, you can choose a template or a blank canvas depending on what you need. After that, open the design you want to edit. This will take you into the main editor where you can view your canvas and start making adjustments. If your design looks too small on screen, or if you need a closer view for detailed editing, this is where the zoom feature becomes useful. Now look around the bottom area of the editor for the zoom controls. These controls are usually easy to spot and are designed to help you quickly change how large or small your design appears on your screen. Keep in mind that zooming in doesn't change the actual size of your design file. It only changes your view, which makes it easier to work on small details, text, spacing, or image placement. To zoom in, click the plus button. Each click will increase the magnification, allowing you to get a closer look at your project. This is especially helpful when you're working on precise edits or want to inspect the finer parts of your layout more comfortably. If you need to pull back and see more of the full design at once, click the minus button to zoom out. This gives you a wider view of the canvas so you can better understand overall alignment and composition. Continue adjusting the zoom level until your design is at the size you want to work with. A closer zoom is usually better for detail work, while a more zoomed out view is useful for checking the full layout. As you edit, you may find yourself switching between zooming in and out depending on the task. That's completely normal, and it's one of the easiest ways to work more efficiently in Adobe Express. And that's how to zoom in Adobe Express.